Good morning students. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter angles. So this chapter is under the unit geometry. So before starting, let me clear you that the chapters under this geometry unit, that is in this unit there are only 3 chapters, that is angles, parallel lines and triangles. Let me clear you about the topic angles. So here first, when two arms or two rays, you can say two rays joins to a common end point with a common end point as O. Two rays I have given as A and here B. Okay, when two rays join with a or intersect at a one common end point, then what happens? That is called as an angle. Then the angle create between both the arms, that is called angle. Okay, so this angle is denoted as with the symbol angle symbol, and we write angle AOB or angle BOA, or also we can write, because O is a common vertex, O is a common vertex, so we can also write it as angle O. Is that clear, students? This is called as this angle is measured in degree. That is the unit. We are using this as in degree, which is denoted as the unit of this angle. Is that clear, students? And these both are called as the arms of the angles, and it is called as vertex. Is that clear? Since O is a common vertex, angle O. Yes. So this we understood. Now if I am writing this same angle as angle OAB, or angle I am writing OBA, or I am writing ABO or BAO. If I am writing like this, it is correct? Can I say this angle, can I denote this angle as this? No, we cannot do it, because here the common vertex is A, but it is not a common vertex A here. Here it is O, and here also B is there, the common vertex. No, it is also wrong. So the middle alphabet, middle letter is not the common vertex. So this is also wrong. Now here this is also wrong, and here the middle vertex is A. It is the middle vertex A? No, it is also wrong. So whenever you are denoting the angle, just you have to check the whatever the angle which is having a common end point, that should be there in the middle. Is that clear? So angle AOB, this is O is middle, so this is the correct way of writing. We can denote it angle AOB, and angle BOA is the correct. And we can also write as angle O, because O is a common vertex. Is that clear, students? Under this chapter we are going to cover some of the topics or some of the contents which will be covered as and whatever the contents we are covering in this explanation video, that from that only the questions will be asked. Is that clear, students? So we will just learn about these contents. So we will learn in this module we are going to learn about adjacent angles, linear pair, complementary angles, supplementary angles and vertically opposite angles. About this you will learn in this module. So I am just putting some clippings so that it will be easier for you to understand more effectively.
Complementary angles. Complementary angles are two angles whose measure add up to 90 degrees. In a complementary angle, each angle is said to be a complement of the other. That means 25 degree plus 65 degree is equal to 90 degree. Supplementary angles. Supplementary angles are two angles whose measures add up to 180 degree. In a supplementary angle, each angle is said to be a supplement of the other. 120 degree plus 60 degree is equal to 180. Adjacent angles. Adjacent angles are angles with a common vertex and a common side, but no interior points. So that we can say two angles are called adjacent angles if they have the same vertex, they have a common arm, and their other arms are on different sides of the common arm. A pair of adjacent angles with rays as the non-common sides is called a linear pair. The angles of a linear pair are supplementary. The Leaning Tower of Pisa is a good example of linear pair of angles. The two angles on the side of the tower form a linear pair. Vertically opposite angles. Vertical angles are two angles that have a common vertex and whose sides from two lines. Also, when two lines cross each other, the angles created are vertically opposite and the angles are equal.
I hope you all understood this module, and I want that all should note down these topics in your notebooks as a definition of this the topic definition of this topic. Is that clear, students? Thank you and have a nice day.